In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do scalping on Binance, a quick and effective trading strategy that focuses on small, fast profits. Whether you're an experienced crypto trader looking to refine your techniques, or you're just getting started and want to explore short-term trading opportunities, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to scalp effectively on Binance. First, open your Binance app on your smartphone or tablet and go to the trading section. You can choose either futures or spot trading depending on your preference and experience level. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because picking the right environment sets the stage for successful scalping. Next, click on the trading pair selection and choose a highly liquid pair such as BTC USDT or ETH USDT. These pairs are popular due to their high volume, allowing you to enter and exit trades quickly, which is essential for scalping. Follow the on-screen instructions to load the charts and prepare for your trades. The platform is user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you set your charts to 1-minute or 5-minute time frames and enable Trading View. Doing this beforehand will give you a clear view of price movements and access to technical indicators like MACD, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. These tools help you spot quick entry and exit points. For example, MACD shows momentum shifts, RSI highlights overbought or undersold conditions, and Bollinger Bands reveal volatility. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to execute trades using limit or market orders. After that, you should set tight stop loss and take profit levels to protect your capital and lock in gains efficiently. Scalping is all about repetition. Look for small price movements, act quickly, and aim for consistent profits. Over time, these small gains can accumulate into significant results. It's also a good idea to monitor your trades closely and refine your strategy as you go. Taking this extra step ensures you learn from each trade and keep your risk under control while maximizing opportunities. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to scalp on Binance effectively and efficiently, capturing quick profits while minimizing risks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with crypto transfers. Why not make someone's trading day easier?